Let's come to the uses of prepositions part 2. Number 1. The prepositions like from, of, through, for, because of, owing to and in consequence of express cause or reason. For example, number 1. He almost died of fever. The verb died is followed by the preposition of in case of any disease, but the same verb died is followed by the preposition from in case of some external cause such as he died from overwork or violence. Number 2. Of course, he will be caught someday. Here, the preposition of shows some kind of reason for being caught. Number 3. He failed through inattention to work. Here also, the preposition through shows the reason or cause for being failed in his work. Number 4. He could not speak for grief. The preposition for here shows reason or cause for not speaking. Number 5. The crops failed from or owing to or because of or in consequence of the want of rain. Here each one of the prepositions shows the reason or cause for the failing of the crops. Now in the next use of the prepositions, effect is expressed by the preposition to and by no other. For example, number 1. To our great grief and surprise, he was not successful. Here the preposition to shows the effect of not being successful. Number 2. He wasted his time in idleness to his ruin. Here also the preposition to shows the effect of wasting one's time. Now see the next use. Number 3. Possession or ownership is expressed by the preposition of. For example, number 1. The palace of the king was pulled down. Here the preposition of shows that the king was the owner of or possessed the palace. Number 2. The vote of the majority was against your proposal. Here also the preposition of shows the vote possessed by the majority of the people. Now see some questions based on the prepositions mentioned above. Number 1. He will owing to necessity. Here what you have to say? Here since the sentence expresses some kind of reason or cause, any one of the prepositions showing the same like owing to, because of, etc. can be used. Number 2. The house could not be finished for lack of funds. Since the sentence expresses some kind of cause or reason, any one of the prepositions showing cause or reason like of, from, owing to, because of, from, etc. can be used. Number 3. She died from sorrow at her great bereavement. Here the verb died is followed by the preposition from as it suggests an external cause for her death. Number 4. He was plucked to the surprise of everyone. This sentence expresses the effect of being plucked, and so the preposition to has been used as it expresses effect and no other things. Number 5. The owner of this house has lowered his rent for many other houses being vacant in the neighborhood. As the first part of the sentence expresses possession, the preposition of has been used. In the second part, any one of the prepositions showing cause or reason like for or owing to or because of can be used. as the second part shows the reason or cause for lowering the rent. Number 6. He deserves to be blamed to his idleness. Here the sentence expresses the effect of being an idle person, and hence the preposition to has been used as it expresses effect and no other things. Number 7. Some medicine given at this time will be for his benefit unless in the meanwhile he dies of this attack of fever. As the first part of the sentence expresses some kind of reason for giving medicine at a certain time, the preposition for has been used. In the second part, dies is followed by the preposition of, as it suggests an internal cause for death. Number 8. I cannot sleep for thinking of all that I must do. Since the sentence expresses some kind of reason or cause for not sleeping, any one of the prepositions showing cause or reason like for or from or owing to or because of or through can be used. Number 9. To my great disappointment, the house is not yet ready for me to enter. This sentence expresses the effect of the incompletion of the house, and hence the preposition to has been used as it expresses effect and no other things. In the next part, we will study some more uses of prepositions.